Hey everybody, welcome to week 8 of PRLS 211 Public Relations Techniques here at Eastern Oregon University. You're so close to the end of the course. You're doing great work, so keep it up. But we do still have some significant work ahead of us here, starting with week 8. So let's talk about what we have going on this week. So for the module readings and the mini lectures, our topic this week is managing international media relations. So thinking about going global when your organization is thinking about expanding into a new market, an international market, a different cultural market, those types of things. That's really what we're focusing on. So we're going to focus on topics like culture, intercultural competence, and what it means to expand, and some tips for expanding into those different global markets as a public relations and media relations professional. So for deliverables this week, in terms of what you're submitting, we have the Module 8 discussion board, which has to do with a surprise international campaign. It's a hypothetical situation asking you to consider how you might operate if you were surprised with an international campaign by someone at work. Then you also this week have the swipe file document that is due. We have a presentation coming up on that in a couple of weeks, but this week your primary document with all the different swipe file items that you've put together is going to be due. So be sure you check that assignment. Hopefully you've been working on that little by little as we go here, but you'll submit that by the end of this week. And then the Module 8 quiz. Quiz is the same as it has been the rest of the weeks. You get 3 attempts, have to complete it by the end of the module week to get credit for that. But so be sure you get that completed as well. One other quick reminder, again, in Module 10 coming up, actually at the end of Module 9, you're going to need to submit your swipe file presentation. So be thinking about that and working on it as well. Now that you're going to have the document done, we're going to focus on that presentation. You'll submit that by the end of Module 9 so that in Module 10 we can be discussing it and sharing those with one another. If you have questions about the content, about the assignments, about anything else related to the course, please feel free to email me. We'll check in that way. And then if we need to, we can set up a Zoom appointment or something. But let's start with an email and go from there. And in the meantime, I will see you around the course in the discussion boards and different areas like that. And I hope you have a fantastic week.